The rising cost of living here in Florida has put so many in a tough spot financially. It is an issue WPTV's been helping you navigate as those fees continue to push your budget. Our Matt Cesney may have found one solution to rising insurance costs anyway. He's breaking down how homeowners in Boca Raton will soon get a discount on flood insurance.
The number of Floridians with flood insurance is low. I reported in the past that roughly 20% of properties in the state are covered, and the city of Boca Raton wants to change that number. I hit the streets and asked people if they have flood insurance.
No, I'm not in a flood zone, and I didn't hold a note on the house, so I didn't need it.
Why do you think people pass on flood insurance, generally speaking?
It's already a staggering rate.
In Boca Raton, that rate is going down starting in October by as much as 25% on a federal flood insurance policy, according to a notice from the city, after scoring well in the federal flood program's community rating system. I reached out to the city to get clarification on the program, but no one was available to speak, so I turned to Dr. Charles Nice.
Yeah, last year was a real learning experience.
At FSU's Center for Risk Management and Insurance to explain.
It could be something as simple as providing information about flooding to the residents, and it can be as extensive as raising the standards of what mitigation looks like in a floodplain.
Last year's hurricanes caused a lot of flood damage, and many homeowners found themselves stuck with no flood insurance. The discount is seen as a way to get more homeowners protected.
So the short answer is they do help. I mean, we actually just did a study last year with the Office of Insurance Regulation, and it is the discounts that matter the most. What drives more people to purchase flood? When it's cheaper.
In its notice, the city points out that the flood insurance discount is not for everyone with a Boca Raton address, but only those homeowners who live within the city limits. In Boca Raton, Matt Cesney, WPTV News.